Hello everyone, I am Michelle from Taming Little Monsters, and today I'm going to show you two different methods you can use to make a black glue suncatcher. So for this craft you're going to need a heart template. You can get these for free in the link in the description. You'll also need a laminating sheet that's already been laminated, some black glue and some colourful permanent markers. The first step is to trace the lines of the heart template with your black glue. You can easily make your own black glue just by adding some black food colouring or black watercolour paints into a bottle of white school glue and then getting it a good mix. Next, you'll need to let the glue dry before moving on to the next step. So this is the design that I made earlier. It's ready for us to take our permanent markers and start colouring in. And when you're finished, you can cut it out and hang it in your window. Second method, you're going to need an empty laminating sheet, some squares of colourful tissue paper and some black glue. Start by opening up the laminating sheet and placing the tissue paper inside it. Don't worry if you leave a few gaps between the squares, because it's easy to cover up these gaps with the black glue later on. When you're ready, close the laminating sheet and pass it through a laminating machine to seal it all in. Once it's cooled down, place it over a heart template and trace the outside shape with your black glue. I turned my paper over here so it was easier to see the edges of the tissue paper, because next we're going to trace around each of the pieces of paper with the black glue. After that's done, you'll just need to let the glue dry. And when the glue is dry, you can cut out the heart shape and stick it in your window. I also tried a different heart of this method, where I didn't trace the colours and instead stuck to the stained glass design on the template. You can see it has a different effect, so you can pick which one you prefer and try it for yourself. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.